Welcome guys. So today I am with Windows laptop and also with this Pioneer SE-E6 wireless earbuds, and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Windows PC. So at the first we have to turn on pairing mode on them. We have to use this multifunction button, so click and hold until this indicator start blinking on the red and the blue. Yeah, just like that. Now we can put them back, and next we have to go for the settings on our PC. So I'm using Windows 11. As you can see, go for the settings, then go for Bluetooth and devices. When you are here, you have to enable this Bluetooth switcher in this place, and then click to add new device. Select Bluetooth. Now just wait a little bit. As you can see, there we got the Pioneer at the bottom. So just select them. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. So that's how we can make it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.